Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study about cyclone Yas. Now this is a very important topic for your upcoming preliminary examination as well as your GS paper 1. GS paper 1 has geography and it is also included in prelims, so that makes this topic very important. And even in GS paper 3 in mains we have the topic of disaster management, DM. So disaster management में भी cyclone Yas के बारे में पढ़ना, it's very important. Let's understand how cyclones are formed. Let us understand why it is named Yas and which country gave this name Yas. How cyclones are named, this is also important. So class PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease, and you can just download Telegram app, search Simplifying UPSC with Ease or click on the link given below in the description box and you will get to the channel and you can download the class PDF as well. Let us start. So when we talk about cyclone Yas, this was informed by the Indian Meteorological Department. That is, the IMD has notified about the formation of cyclone Yas. This year we have witnessed 2 cyclones. That is why this becomes very important. Here you can see the IMD has informed that a low pressure area is formed over the North Andaman Sea and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal. Over here you can see this region. यहाँ पर ये वाला जो रीजन है मैप में आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पर आप देखोगे the East Central Bay of Bengal and North Andaman Sea. Here we find the formation of the low pressure. Underline, we are talking about cyclones, so we are talking about the low pressure area. Okay, and they said, the IMD informed that it is going to intensify. This low pressure area is going to intensify into a cyclonic storm by May 24, and it has been named as cyclone Yas. Currently, when we study about cyclone Yas, you have to remember it is VSCS. VSCS means very severe cyclonic storm. Cyclones have different categories, right? Here in this case, cyclone has been given the category of very severe cyclonic storm. Now let us understand where this term Yas has originated. The word Yas, it has originated from the Persian language, which means jasmine in English, and it has been named by Oman. You have to remember which country has named cyclone Yas. It is Oman, right? And the formation of this cyclone can be seen over here in West Bengal, Odisha, Assam and Meghalaya region. Okay. Now, when we talk about the panel on naming the cyclones, tropical cyclones, we have a 13-country panel which names the cyclone, right? Names are suggested by each and every country, then it is selected. Right now, Oman, has given the name Yas, which has been selected by the panel WMO, which is the World Meteorological Organization panel, which names the cyclone. Now, let us understand that naming of the cyclones. Now, after Yas, it is being said the next cyclone that is going to come up is Gulab. This name Gulab has been suggested by Pakistan. That you have to remember. Yas का मतलब होता है jasmine. Jasmine एक flower है, उसकी fragrance बहुत अलग होती है, तो इसको ओमान ने यास यानी कि jasmine के नाम पर इस ओमानी लैंग्वेज में इसको नाम दिया है. इंग्लिश में यास का मतलब हो जाएगा jasmine. Okay, it refers to a tree with good fragrance. एक तरीके का ट्री है जैस्मीन ओमान में, जिसकी खुशबू बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी होती है. इससे पहले एक छोटी सी अनाउंसमेंट है आप लोगों के लिए. Unacademy is launching Unacademy Combat tomorrow, that is at 11 AM in the morning. Every Sunday this combat is launched. Now it's a free scholarship test where you can register for free, and combat is going to be available in both languages, Hindi and English. So you can take this combat live from Android app of Unacademy. Here if you score rank 1 to rank 3, you will be given 1 year UPSC CSE GS plus subscription. Then if you score between rank 4 to 10, 75% scholarship will be given. Rank 11 to 50, 50% scholarship will be given, and rank 51 to 500 you will be bestowed with 25% scholarship. Total 4 crore के pool से आपको scholarship यहाँ पर जीतने का मौका मिलेगा. You can also use code ARPITA10 so that you can register for free in this Unacademy Combat. Free of cost आप register कर सकते हो अगर आप code use करते हो ARPITA10. Okay. The link is given below in the description box. Now let us understand how the cyclones are formed. Cyclones ना oceanic water के ऊपर बनते हैं, ठीक है, tropical region में, तो उन्हें tropical cyclones बोलते हैं हम. अब इस region में क्या होता है, tropical region में जो sunlight होती है वो काफी ज्यादा होती है, जिस वजह से जो land है, जमीन है, वो गर्म हो जाती है. Water का जो topmost surface होता है वो गर्म हो जाता है, and because surface water का ocean का गर्म हो जाता है तो warm moist air form होता है ocean के ऊपर, जो ऊपर की तरफ, क्योंकि warm moist मॉइस्ट एयर जो होती है वो ऊपर की तरफ राइज करने लगती है। ऊपर की तरफ की जो कूल एयर है, देखो ये है, दिस इज ओशन वाटर, हियर द एयर इज वार्म, ओके, एंड द एयर अबव द वार्म एयर इज कूल। ओके, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया? Again, I am going to draw another diagram so that very clearly you can understand. देखो, this is the ocean. Okay. Then we have the warm air over here, क्योंकि यहाँ पर because of the sunlight, the land and the water surface is getting heated up, right? So that is why over here in the surface we have warm air. यहाँ पर warm air है, ठीक है? Because it is light, it rises up. ये ऊपर rise करने लगती है. When it rises up, then there is a void which is created over here. So here the warm air, the cool air takes the place to fill the void. इस void को भरने के लिए जो ठंडी हवा है वो फटाफट से इस void को भर देती है. And this cool air, it gets too warm and again it rises, and that is why the cycle continues. That is how the cycle continues, and that is how the slow forming of pressure takes place. Now wind always blows from high pressure to low pressure areas. ये high pressure area है, low pressure है. Wind हमेशा always remember from high pressure to low pressure, इस तरीके से wind जाती है, blow करती है. High pressure areas are created in the cold region while low is created in the warm region. So low pressure area is created in, कहाँ पर ये create होती है? Warm region में. High pressure area, it is created in the cold region. Please make these small diagrams in your register so that it will be easy for you to revise. The polar regions, that is, this is earth, over here are the poles. ये जो polar regions है, ठीक है, they are high pressure regions. Underline this and write it down. As the amount of sunlight here is less, यहाँ पर जो sunlight है वो तो कम पड़ती है ना, that is at equator. यहाँ पर तो कम आती है sunlight polar regions पे, ठीक है. So here the sunlight is less than the tropical regions. These are the tropical regions. These are the polar regions. So here we have high pressure. Here we have low pressure. Okay, point clear? So wind blows from high pressure to low pressure. याद रहेगा? Then comes the Earth's movement, which is west to east. अब ये जो Earth है, इसकी movement कैसे होती है? When we draw the direction bar यहाँ पर, तो आप देखोगे यहाँ होता है हमारा east या west, this is north and this is south. Earth moves from west to east. इस तरीके से Earth move करती है, ठीक है? So the Earth's rotation on its axis causes deflection in the wind. Wind is coming from high pressure to low pressure, and because the Earth is moving, the wind gets deflected. ठीक है, समझ आ रही है बात? So that is why when the wind gets deflected, यहाँ पर आप देखोगे it blows from both the polar regions. Wind coming from the Arctic is deflected to the right while Antarctic gets deflected to the left. So wind is already blowing in a direction, but when it reaches the warmer place, cool air starts getting attracted to fill the void. I explained that to you over here. That is why while moving to the center, cool air keeps getting deflected, which forms the cyclone. Okay, point clear? So this is how cyclones are formed. Now the question is, what happens when a cyclone hits the land? होता क्या है जब cyclone जमीन से टकराता है? Cyclone dissipates when it hits the land as the warm water that rises and creates space for cool water is no longer available on land. That is why the cyclone dissipate. तो dissipate का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या होता है? Dissipate का मतलब होता है disappear. Okay, please write it down. It means disappear or cease to exist or cause to disappear. Okay, so over here cyclone dissipates. That means it disappears when it hits the land, because now no air is filling up the void of the warm air. Cold air और warm air का जो cycle चल रहा है वो खत्म हो जाता है land पे आते ही, ठीक है? But yes, it causes a lot of damage to the population which is residing on the land as it hits the land. Okay, so this was all about the cyclone Yas that we have discussed today. I hope you enjoyed this session. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये session अच्छा लगा हो. If you really enjoyed it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.